the interaction, the youth and bingo, and the people coming early to joke around and get along with one another. I believe these future AGMs will continue to bring us together as a nation, with people traveling from afar, like Vancouver, the United States, the island, local. I think it's so important that we connect and get together more often. However, these two AGMs is a starting point.
It's been about 20 years since I've been home. It feels real good to be back. But I stay in Atlanta right now. Me and my wife, Raven, Ba, from what my granddad says, that's how we say Raven. My sister's down in Atlanta as well, and my mom's down in Fort Valley, not too far from where we at. And I'm gonna make sure that they come home too, soon. What I really did enjoy was my granddad. He took me around the whole reservation, pointed out all of our land, what's become ours, that was already ours, but now ours again. Just listening to my granddad and his teachings, I'm just trying to take it all in.
My favorite part of being here so far was meeting all the people and just seeing how the people here are so beautiful and just amazing people every time I come. Meet new people, and it's kind of a very different community than I think most of the world.
Would I ever come back for another General Assembly? Yes, I want to make it to everyone that I can. Every time I come out here, it's always a good feeling, and it always, keeps me in a good headspace. And the community out here is just much, much better than, what we get out in Tacoma. So yeah, I love coming out here, especially for General Assemblies. They teach us a lot there. It's important to me.
Ceremony is a part of our cultural ways of being. I appreciated witnessing the baby ceremony, and I also appreciated being a part of the twin ceremony. I am a twin, and that's why I mentioned my twin brother's name, Daryl. It was nice to see the twins come together and be a part of the cutting and barbecuing fish at the hatchery. The hatchery has a very important place in my heart.
Imot Konadape. It's good to see all of our dear friends, our family, those that have traveled to make it home. We're extremely excited and honored to have our twins that have traveled home to Tla'amin territory to take part in this sacred and special twin ceremony.
I want to say thank you to the nation for inviting me out, and good job on the work that the nation as a whole has done to protect what we have here.
I'm just soaking it all in right now. It's been so long. It's almost overwhelming, because I know this is not the first, it's not the last, it's gonna always continue, and I always will want to be a part of it. So I'm gonna try to make it my duty to make sure that I come to more General Assemblies as well, to make sure I'm still informed with the family.
It's just an amazing experience out here. It's always lovely to come home.
I'm love and I miss all of you. I'm gonna make sure that I come back home more often and be more in touch. But thank you